Good morning, my name is Michael Hernandez. An activity unit 3, step 4, and November 22. And problem trip, and consequence problem is the negotiation on biotechnology. My essence is the science. Another negotiation, pros and good try, and, and problem functions by to negotiate biotechnics approach and causes problem in negotiation by calculate separation the overnight and by strong recates and and tends the with the tie and party of for the rights commercial uh, days for recommendation defines difficult representation and distribution novel final product. 1. Improvement net generación de producto, adicional patents, adicional aplicación de él, patents adicional territorio, option terms de licencia. En el caso de la licencia, obtain agree the terms and time force. La license to do diligence on the patents application and la technology in specific. The events tried and exercise on the option usually. La request in the license by to a specific date or la submission and evaluation reports or some other action. Right the first refusal, the license interest, we might not to, to take the license, so licensor might decide of the right at first refusal dates receiving and from someone else. The has therefore license and the first party is its first party rejects on the offer, they can accept and second of and grant the license to second party.